Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress locally on your Windows 10 or 11 computer using XAMPP. First, you'll need two pieces of software, XAMPP and WordPress. You can find the download links for both in the description below. Start by downloading XAMPP. Go to the official site and download the latest version. Once it's downloaded, open the installer and follow the prompts. When asked, keep the default settings and choose English as the language. Click Next through the options, and the installation will begin. This will take a few minutes. While XAMPP installs, head over to wordpress.org and download the latest version of WordPress. Once the download is complete, go to your download folder, right-click the zip file, and extract it. After XAMPP finishes installing, launch the control panel. Start both the Apache and MySQL services by clicking Start next to each one. Now, open your Downloads folder, find the extracted WordPress folder, and cut it. Go to your C drive, open the XAMPP folder, find the htdocs folder, and paste the WordPress folder inside. Next, open your browser and type localhost/phpMyAdmin in the address bar. This will take you to the phpMyAdmin dashboard. Click on New to create a new database and name it WordPress. After that, go to a new tab and type localhost WordPress. You'll be prompted to select a language and continue with the WordPress setup. For the database name, enter WordPress. The username should be root and leave the password field blank. Click Submit and then run the installation. You'll be asked to set up your site details like site title and admin login info. Fill in those fields, and after a few minutes, WordPress will be installed. Once installation is complete, log in with your admin username and password. You'll now be in the WordPress dashboard. From here, you can begin customizing your site by installing themes and plugins. To see your live site, click on Visit Site in the top left corner. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.